Hey guys, you're watching Tony R619 Breaks. Booyah!
Alright, my YouTube friends, Tony back with bots number 2. And from the first bots, these are some of the better ones that we got. We got the 2 of 2 Stephanie Branton earring card. These cards are going anywhere between $120 to over $200 for these cards currently. So let's see what we get in the second bots. Actually, I don't need this. I think I can open it from right here. Wish me luck. We didn't get none of the girls that we wanted to get, so I'll still leave their card up there. Hopefully in this box we can get it. All right, wish me luck. Ooh, we got big mojo again. Wow, this case is already off to a good start, and it's a girl I collect hard. All right, so we got 4 thick cards on this side. And first, we got the premium base card. This is 2 out of 3, Jocelyn Omi. Very nice. Awesome. And like I said, these are pretty cool cards. They kind of look like the Panini Black cards. What are they called? Or gold, Panini Gold cards. Whatever. All right, next up, we got another Golden Booyah, Madeline Brinson, 4 out of 10. Very nice. Madeline Brinson, Golden Booyah. Next, we got another Golden Souls. Nice toenails, Tabitha Taylor, 1 out of 4. Kind of like a purple or pink parallel. She's got a big, heavy booyah. And then we have Christina Carroll, another premium base card, 6 out of 14. Very nice. I think she was a rookie in the 2013 or 14 release of Benchwarmer Gold. All right, then we got something big, guys. We'll hold that one to the end. Okay. Okay. Now we got Brandy Grace. Like I said, these are like a matte feel. I don't think I've ever seen Benchwarmer do like a matte feel to their trading cards. Brandy Grace. Nice premium base card. This is 5 out of 24. This is a gold foil. And then we got the base autographs. We have a pink parallel, Peggy Tanos. All right. We have Trishelle Thompson, gold parallel. Jackie Dawn, gold parallel, and Pamela Horton, gold parallel. And then we got one more card, guys. One more card. Check this out. We got a 101 bling. So there's our first 101, and it's Kennedy Summers. This is my third 101 of Kennedy Summers. Wow, look at that. Gold bling, Kennedy Summers 1 of 1. Very nice. Awesome. And there's the back. Feel something right here. I feel like there's something. Yeah, there's like glue or something. I'm not gonna try to take it off. But there it is. Yeah, I think there's like little glue right there. I want to document it just in case. You can see it right there. Just in case I ever sell this. Awesome. 1 of 1. Bling Kennedy Summers. Wow. So, man, so far we had a good case so far, guys. We didn't get none of the girls that we wanted to get so far still, but we got some great cards. All right, stay tuned for box number 3. All right, see you guys. God bless.